Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to save shared documents on WhatsApp on mobile. So in order to do this, you just simply need to go over to the chat which you'd like to get some shared documents on. So here we have a chat that we've opened and we're going to tap at the top and then we're going to tap on where we have media, links and docs. So here by default is in media, so we're going to tap on docs at the top area and then here we have some options. One of the things you can do in order to save shared documents is to simply tap on the document and you'll be able to see the document in your Acrobat Reader. This is now on your mobile device, saved from the shared document from the contact. Of course, if you want to have another copy on your Adobe Acrobat Reader, you could go to the top right corner, tap on the three dots there, and then among the options you want to tap on Save a Copy. Then you're going to set the location, we're going to choose any of these options and continue with the process of saving it. It's pretty easy, and once you save it, it's going to be in the location which you desired. Of course, if the shared doc is on a chat and it's not yet downloaded, you want to make sure that you download that document and it will be in your docs on your WhatsApp, saved and ready to be used offline.